Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we'll show you how to access hidden photos on Android and guide you through simple methods to find those hidden pictures on your device. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your phone's Gallery or Photos app where all your images are stored for easy browsing. Step 2. Tap the three dots menu or the hamburger icon with 3 lines, usually located in the top corner, to open more options. Step 3. Go to Settings from the menu where you can manage various app preferences. Step 4. Look for options like View Hidden Albums or Show Hidden Albums and enable them to reveal hidden photos in your gallery. Alternatively, you can swipe down from the screen to open your private folder, then enter your passcode to securely view your hidden photos. Using a file manager app like Files by Google or Samsung's My Files, open the app, then tap on the Save folder and enter your passcode to access hidden photos or files safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.